When refreshing data from a source in ClicData, 4 different methods are available. We will explore all 4 using simple examples for each. Each time you reload your data, the existing data table content is deleted and the new data is loaded into the table. Use this method for smaller datasets when the content of previously loaded rows has changed in any way. In this example, the list of products in the catalog has been updated and new products been added. When you append, you bring in all the data from its source as new rows and add them to the existing table. This option is useful if the source provides only new data rows that do not exist yet in your ClicData table. In this user stats table, we only get yesterday's data and need to append it to the existing table in order to build a day-by-day dataset. The next 2 methods require a unique key that is to be specified in the schema editor of any table by checking 1 or more columns. The unique key will be used to deduplicate rows and identify each row in a unique way. Updating data will perform changes only on existing rows with modified content, while the rows are being compared based on the unique key. This option is useful if the content of the data is updated, but no new rows are being added, like here for instance, where statuses of power plants are updated and the current status is now reflected in the data. Update and append. Update and append combines the 2 previous methods in one. Based on the unique key, existing rows in the table will be updated and new rows containing unique keys will be added. This option is useful if the existing content of the data is updated and new rows are added, like here in this orders table. Orders fulfillment statuses were updated and new orders added. All of the refresh methods use the existing schema of the table to update its content. To add, remove columns as well as change a name or type or reorder columns, use the schema editor before refreshing the data with one of the methods. And let me give you a smart tip to finish this video. Consider enabling versioning on your table. This allows you to roll back to an earlier version of your data if need be.